Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear learners. Today's topic is do or make. So when to use do and when to use make, you need to know. For your daily conversation, let's get started. If I say I do a lot of things every day, I do a lot of things every day, and make means create. So make means produce or create something. For example, she is making coffee now. They make umbrellas. He has made a cake. What type of expressions you can use with do? Let's see. Do an exam or do a test. Do a course. Do homework. Do housework. Do somebody a favor and do an exercise. If you want to use these phrases or these expressions in sentences, then you can communicate with others using the word do. Let's learn examples. I am doing my driving course next week. John has done a training course. Our children have to do a lot of homework. Our children have to do a lot of homework. I hate doing housework, especially evening. I hate doing housework, especially evening. Sure, could you do me a favor? You can use the Swiss name. You can use another name. Arina, could you do me a favor? I go for a run and do exercises every morning. I go for a run and do exercises every morning. Chores with your daily activities. For example, do the shopping. I do the washing. I do the washing up. I do the ironing. I do the cooking. So, word make. You can use make with make a mistake. You cannot say I did a mistake. You can say I made a mistake. So make a mistake, make an appointment, make a phone call, make a list, make a noise, make a bed. How you can use these expressions in sentences? Let's see. I'm sorry, I made a mistake. I'm sorry, I made a mistake. I need to make an appointment to see the doctor. I need to make an appointment to see the doctor. Don't say I need to do an appointment. So you can use I need to make an appointment to see the doctor. Excuse me, I have to make a phone call. Excuse me, I have to make a phone call. Don't say I have to do a phone call. I have to make a phone call. Have you made a shopping list? Have you made a shopping list? It's late. Don't make a noise. You cannot say don't do a noise. Don't make a noise. Sometimes I forget to make my bed in the morning. Sometimes I forget to make my bed in the morning. Don't say sometimes I forget to do my bed. So now, dear learners, let's do this exercise. You have to use do or make to read the sentences. The first sentence is, why do you always dash the same mistake? What will be the answer? Yes, why do you always make the same mistake? You cannot write down do. The next one, can you dash me a favor? Can you dash me a favor? What will be the answer? Can you do me a favor? Right? Can you do me a favor? You cannot say can you make me a favor? It will be can you do me a favor? Now the last one, have you dash your homework? Have you dash your homework? Have you done your homework? The answer can be yes or not yet. So you have learned the use of do and make. These two words are very important in English. So what you can do it, you can practice it, and for speaking you have to use these words in your daily conversation. And on the other hand, if you would like to improve your writing skill, what you have to do? You have to write the sentences. So usually in everyday English, what you do, you can write it in your copy, in your diary. So using these two words, do and make. Whatever you will use and how you will just produce your, or how you just make your own sentences, so you can learn more. So remember this, don't be frustrated. If you are the beginners, if you want to learn English, if you have started learning English, this is your journey. So always try to use very easy languages for the beginners who have started learning English. So do and make, you will see that these words do and make we always use every day in English as well as in our writing section as well. So that's all for today. I hope you have liked today's lesson. If you like today's lesson, you please like, share and comment on my video. And if you would love to learn with me, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.